Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Let's do some cute but meaningful paper crafting. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and a big welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for making this one of the channels to which you have chosen to subscribe. I really do appreciate it. And for those of you who are buying me coffee, you are members of my monthly members group, or you're watching my videos and leaving positive comments. Thank you so much, because it really helps to keep the channel going. As we wrap up our crafty week of giving thanks, I have a sweet little project that I think we all will enjoy. And so here is today's project. It is a mini clipboard. It's a little bit more than that because we're going to dress it up using some of those thankful cards, and then we're going to dress up the papers that we attach to it. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, guys, so here's today's super sweet project. We are going to make a mini clipboard. We're going to attach some beautifully little decorated sheets of paper, and we are going to top it off with one of the little cards that says, "There is always something to be thankful for," and on the back side, "I am thankful for." So this is a great little item that if you need a last-minute seller for your craft fair, something like this will sell very well. If you want to just hand off a little gift to the hostess, or if you want to put these in as stocking stuffers, all you have to do is change the paper, change your saying, and these can go for any season, any reason, any gender. So here's what we're going to need to make it. I have 2 pieces of medium weight chipboard, and they measure 5 by 7. So then I have my 4 by 5 card, and it says there is always something to be thankful for. On the back side, it says I'm thankful for. And then I have some 4 by 6 pieces of blank white paper that we're going to embellish just to kick this cuteness factor up a little bit. I am using 4 by 6 paper from one of the Dollar Tree notepads. And then I have this beautiful piece of 9 by 7, just regular scrapbook paper. It's a lightweight. And then for the back, I have a piece that measures 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. Easy peasy project. And like I said, this is a great anytime project for anyone. If you are looking for this paper is from the Paper Studio by Hobby Lobby, and it is called Plaid Gourds. The SKU is 1941087. So let's remove the tape backer from one piece of that chipboard. We're going to take the second piece of chipboard, and we're basically just going to double stack these. And I'm double stacking these because I want that thickness of a hardboard. So if you have some heavyweight chipboard, no need to double stack. I wanted this to be a little bit firmer than it would be if I was simply using the medium weight. So I am going to remove the backer from these pieces. And we'll take the chipboard and mount it to the piece that is 9 by 7. And then I'll go over the front with my big old spatula. And then I'll stand it up, and we're just going to teach this paper how to fold over. And this is a lightweight, so I can just stand it and do this without worrying about it cracking. Then I'm going to take my finger blade, and we are going to miter these ends. So now I'm going to take my double stick tape, and we're just going to place some going around on all 4 sides. And then I'm also going to place some tape right here at the bottom. Along those edges. And then I'm going to use my big old spatula. We're going to get this nice and stuck. Now we can peel away the tape backers. And now we can take this and fold it over. And like I said, this is a great anytime project. It does not have to be for the season in which I'm making it for. It doesn't even have to be for a season. This is an anytime gift or an anytime project that you can make. So now that we have our front like this, isn't that gorgeous? We're going to place down this backer piece. I am going to go ahead and just place down some tape here on the back. All right, so now that we have our tape on the back, we're going to go ahead and peel away the tape backer from the chipboard and the tape backer from the back liner. Again, this back liner is 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. And now we can take it and we're just going to place it down, trying to get it as centered as possible. And now I'll use my big old spatula to get that stuck. And we have a beautiful, beautiful hardboard. Now I'm just going to take this and just go around those edges in case I have any pointies. Then that helps to round it and keep those pointies from sticking out. So now that we have our board, I am going to take this clip and put the clip on. All I'm doing is attaching the clip just like this. You can use a clothespin, whatever you want to put on to hold down your papers. So now we're going to bring in our papers, which are 4 by 6, and I'm just going to do a very quick demo of a way that we can take these papers and turn them into something cuter than they already are. So I'm going to rely on my stickers for this part of the project, and I am just going to pick a few stickers and we'll just place them down. Now, if I was selling this or gifting this, I would actually place stickers on each page of white paper that I put down. I think I'm going to put that one right there in the middle, because if you're writing a note, you can write around that. Then I'm going to take this cute little squirrel, place him right here in the corner. And then I'm going to take this little pumpkin spray and place it right there. So these are all of the ways that we can decorate these pages if we wanted to sell this or to gift it and to make it a little bit cute. So you can see what we have here. Now I'm just going to take these and clip them. And then I'm going to take this and I'll just tuck it under like that so that it's hanging off the side just a little bit so that you can get the whole effect of how this looks. Y'all can do so much more to this if you want than I have done here. I'm keeping mine very simple and very easy, but you can embellish these as much or as little as you want. You can add colored paper here instead of white paper. You can make them, as I said, for any season, any reason, any gender. But as you can see, these are highly impressive and oh so cute. So guys, have fun making these mini clipboards and then decorate your papers to turn it into something oh so special. So I hope that you have liked this video. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. So as always, please be safe, be thankful, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.